Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Toyota Camry XLE. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 268 horsepower and 248 pounds of torque. This one does come with 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Gray leather interior, sunroof, Camry XLE badging. Open up the tailgate. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Keyless entry, power windows, power seats. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, our media display, which is also touchscreen, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, USB ports, heated seats. This Toyota Camry has 59,227 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Toyota Camry XLE, check out feldmannimports.com.